from Crafter's Companion and the Sarah Davies Black and Gold collection. We're getting luxury foiled transfers and black and gold foil rolls, and it makes it easy to add shimmering foil accents to cards, journals, even fabric and wood, it says on the package. So let me pull out one of these rolls, or both of them actually. So here's the gold and the black roll, the onyx, they call it Empire Gold and Onyx Black. And on each of these rolls, I'm trying to find the end there, here we go. It looks like this. It is foiled, and it is this one you'll be adding black accents with your foil transfers, and this one you'll be adding gold accents with those foil transfers. 2 foil rolls. Each one of these is 6 inches wide and 6 feet long. So you're getting 12 feet altogether, 6 feet in each one of those. So let me set those off to the side. You're just going to cut that foil to the size that you need for each transfer. Now here are the transfers. Luxury foil transfers, they have 6 sheets within here. Let me show you on the front a little bit, but I'll show you them actually in just a second. And these are over 80 transferable images that you're going to be able to transfer. This is filled with sentiments, labels, all kinds of things. So here they are stacked up, but let me go through them one at a time. So lots and lots of sentiments, and these are great for all occasions. Follow your dreams, they know the way. My love, you will forever be my always. Enjoy the little things, live, laugh, love. So lots of great sentiments on here. Let's look at another one. More sentiments, beautiful, amaze, joy, cherish, create. Can you imagine these on just really any card or scrapbooking page? Plus you can put these on other things. It says you can transfer onto wood and fabric, so you can do these on an album cover or lots of other things. I love the little labels, and you could put some of the words in those labels. That'd be a great idea. Lots of little embellishments, lots more words here. Stars can't shine without darkness. Follow your dreams. Lots of great big words, smaller words. You can use those in large places, small places. These are really great. I love that little heart lock and key and corner flourishes and border pieces, and then this one has some really nice large flourishes. You can imagine how you might be able to use those on cards. It's going to be a really fun look, and let me show you how easy it is to do those. So you're going to be able to do this with this little application tool, and this is included in with the transfers. And what I did is cut out the word that I wanted. I chose what I wanted. I went in and cut out that piece. Here's the word, and here's a piece of the black foil. So with the word, I'm going to place it on my cardstock, but before I do that, I need to remove a plastic backing. Now I can't tell you how many times I just set that down and I started rubbing. But if you do that, nothing's going to happen because there's plastic on the back. So let me first remove the plastic backing, and it is, I agree, it is, there we go. It can be a little hard to find that edge, but once you find it, it's not sticky. It just really comes right off. So I remove it. So now on the back of that, it's just a little bit sticky. And then I'm going to, I know that that is the side that I want to place down on my cardstock. I place it just like though. So, and I use first my finger to sort of get it to stick. Now it's not going to move around. And I like to take that little piece of plastic and place it back on top of there before I start rubbing, because on top of here is this black silk screened image. If I go directly on there, it sort of removes that. You can see a little bit of it coming off, and that can actually get on my card. So I don't really want to do that. I want to put the plastic on top of it, and it does tell you that in the instructions that that's a useful way to do it. See, I already did it. Got off onto the card. And then start rubbing. And I've got it laid down flat, and I just start rubbing back and forth until I've gone all over that little silkscreen image, which is actually on the front of that plastic piece that I laid down. So on the back of there is a little sticky image. It's like a little glue image that matches this word perfectly. It's a glue image of the word. It's going to attach to the cardstock, and I'm going to make sure that I've rubbed it all over. I'm not really rubbing super hard either. It goes on there pretty simply. Okay, I'm going to remove the plastic just like so. And now, I don't know if you can see it, but if I pick it up and sort of shift it a little bit, there we go. You caught it for a second there. You can sort of see it on there. It's a little bit shiny. So let's go ahead and put the foil on there. Now when you look at this, you do not want to think, okay, I want the black on there, so I'm putting the black down. No, it doesn't work on that way. If you want it to be black, then you have to have the black face up and place it down on that word, because it's actually the black on the back of this piece of plastic that I'm holding, that foil. I'm going to start to rub it in place, and as I do, I can sort of see that it's on that word already. I can see it a little bit. Maybe you can't. There you go. You can see it. It's already there, and now I don't have to put anything on top of it. I can just start rubbing with this, and you can sort of see it. There you go, just picking up already and going on to that piece. So there we go, and I just pull that away, and there we go. And I have to say, the reason that this got on here is because this was a little sticky, and I can easily remove that with a penknife. That'll come right off. It'll clean right off. So I think it was a little sticky because I had a little glue stick on there, but you see how easy it is to get that transferred on there. And then I used the gold and I did it on black. So it's beautiful. It's great on black on white and gold on black. So it's a really beautiful set. You've got all of those great transfer images to work with, and it's such a beautiful collection. It's really elegant. And be sure and watch our webisode on the Sarah Davies Flutterby collection, where we do more of those image transfers, give you some more ideas. And that's from Crafter's Companion, the Sarah Davies Black and Gold collection.